All right, guys. On this particular one, it's a late one, but still, it's about Edo State. APC, Okpebholo people, the APC national, or rather Edo State chairman, don't accuse Asue and Asue people, PDP people, of the cause of this insecurity in Edo State. In fact, he went on by saying the 16 men where they buy so, the insecurity where they happen right now for Edo State, he made sure their name bullet point all of them. Say not them, now they cause them. My people, when I go here to read, maybe now listen to what the APC want to talk.
Well, let's begin tonight with the latest development in Edo State. In the wake of the killings there that is sparking national apprehension. In Abuja this Tuesday, the state chapter of the All Progressives Congress accused the People's Democratic Party of plans to instigate crisis and make the state ungovernable. At a news conference, the chairman of the Edo State APC, Jared Tenebe, alleges that the motive is to pave the way for President Bola Tinubu to declare a state of emergency in the state. While commending the police for arresting 14 persons over the killings, he's calling on security agencies to investigate the allegations of a destabilization plot.
All 14 people have been arrested, according to information from the police already, and investigation is going on. More and more arrests will be made by the time they start confessing. It has come to our attention that the leadership of PDP, led by their chairman, Tony Azegwemi, along with Bruce Ehime, who lives in Spain, and Albert Obaze, who lives in London, have devised a reckless and dangerous plot to instigate crisis and make Edo State ungovernable. Their sinister objective is clear. They want to force President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to declare a state of emergency in Edo State because they have no confidence in securing victory at the Edo Election Petition Tribunal. A vigilante group was disbanded. The one set up by Obaseki, that have been crying, that killed the police at the airport, if you can still remember. And these guys are still there. And they have committed a lot of crimes ever since. And don't forget, I just said just now, there was a meeting where they concluded that they are going to cause mayhem in the state, to either a state of emergency declared in Edo State, or to sway the judges who are from, about 2 of the judges who are from the north, to sway them to have judgment in their favor.
News reached out to the Edo State PDP chairman, Tony Azegwemi, but he was unavailable. A spokesperson of the party in the state, Chris Nehikare, however, said the PDP would not dignify the APC with a response over the allegations. And a major cause of fresh apprehension in Edo State is the judgment of the State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal, scheduled to be delivered on Wednesday, 2nd of April, that's tomorrow. The PDP and its candidate, Asue Gudalo, are challenging the declaration of Monday Okpebholo of the All Progressives Congress as the winner of the election. ARISE News correspondent Godfrey Eshomage has details.
The Edo Governorship Election Petition Tribunal sits in Abuja after it was moved from Benin City owing to security concerns. INEC had declared that the Okpebholo of the APC secured 291,667 votes to defeat Gudalo of the PDP, who got 247,655 votes. Dissatisfied with the electoral outcome, the PDP and its candidate approached the tribunal, praying it to nullify INEC's declaration of Okpebholo as the winner. They alleged that the mode of conduct of the election didn't adhere to the provisions of the Electoral Act. In particular, Ighodalo faults the outcome of the election on grounds of overvoting, inaccurate computation of results, and non-serialization of electoral materials. During proceedings at the tribunal, headed by Justice Wilfred Pochi, Ighodalo called 19 witnesses and tendered 153 beavers machines, while APC and Okpebholo called 5 witnesses in total, while INEC, the third respondent, called no witness. Edo people and Nigerians alike await the decision of the tribunal, which will be known in a matter of hours. Meanwhile, Edo State Governor Monday Okpebholo, in a press statement, pleaded for calm and urged people of the state to remain peaceful and maintain harmony as they await the tribunal's decision. Godfrey Eshomage, ARISE News.
In the meantime, the Edo State Governor Monday Okpebholo was in Kano on Monday, where he assured the families of the 16 people killed in Uromi that justice will be served on the perpetrators. Arise News correspondent Ayo Adenaye reports on Okpebholo's condolence visit to the families of the victims.
The convoy of the governor of Kano State and his Edo counterpart arrived in the waiting hands of the aggrieved villagers. Placards bearing inscriptions such as, "We need justice for our people, no nation can develop without justice, and hunters are not killers," were visibly held up by the people. Of the 16 persons reportedly killed in Uromi, Edo State, 7 were from this community, which is predominantly made up of hunters. While addressing the crowd in Hausa, Governor Abba Yusuf appealed to them not to take the law into their hands. He, however, outlined 3 key demands from the people.
Our people who were killed must get justice. Secondly, the perpetrators must be arrested. The first law, and lastly, the families of the victims should be compensated. We are really saddened by the killings of the people. The step we want the Edo government to take is that they should put an end to such occurrence.
The emotional governor of Edo State, Monday Okpebholo, spoke in Hausa, recalling his early days in Kano and the kindness shown to him by the people of the state. He assured the community that justice will be served, revealing that 14 individuals connected to the crime have been arrested.
My people, I appeal to you about the unfortunate incident. God knows everything. God gives and takes.
Hey, now what? This one surprised me. APC, they are desperate to hold power, to retain power, to grab power, to take power. Last time we all talked that one. Don't forget, say, tomorrow, then they want pass the final judgment. Who will be the proper and the truthful governor of Edo State? Make una stick with NAIJA Watch, or we'll give you an update tomorrow. Meanwhile, Okpebholo go all the way to North, go talk to them for that side for waiting happen for Uromi. But I'll leave all that for you. Put it on the comment section. What's your take? This is NAIJA Watch Media. Talk to you guys later. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigeria time. Let's talk about what is affecting you and I. Take care and bye for now.